For years I was snoring like a chainsaw, and that wrecked my life, especially my marriage. Do you have the same problem too? Have you had enough of feeling exhausted, because of your snoring every night like me? Me too, tired of the inconvenience of using the tools, to minimize my sleep apnea. Are you worried about the dangers of doing a surgical procedure, to correct your snoring like me? So doctors predicted, that I would never stop snoring. But I did it 100% naturally. Yeah, don't worry because there is a solution.